Hey, Heather from HookedOnPickin.com here. Got another bulk box. It's an uninspected returns of toys. Let's see what's inside. All right, I've got this box. It is uninspected returns. The title was Toys and Games Pokemon, Everest Toys, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. The retail, they said, was $7.48. I spent $150.38. That included shipping and taxes. And so there's 60 items inside this box for $2.50 per item. So there'll probably be a few things, uninspected returns, that I can't sell on Amazon or eBay. And so it'll probably be more like $3 per item. So we're going to get into here. And I ordered it September 12th. I know it's September 19th. But we're going to see what we got. I actually got the box a few days ago, but just now got around to being able to unbox it. So let's see what we got inside. So uninspected returns is usually my biggest bang for my buck, but then I always have a random one or two things that I'm like, oh, bummer. You know, I wish it was in better condition. But the prices on uninspected returns are usually really well priced as far as flipping goes. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, it looks awesome. So I'm going to tilt it so you can kind of see what the box looks like. So that's how it's packed. Looks, so far, I'm liking what I see. I've got a Splatoon Splattershot mini pistol. Looks like it's kind of a squirt gun type of scenario. Splatoon. It shoots paint. Shoots paint. So there's that. I've got a Elena of Avalar. I know this is like a preschool kind of show that people watch. A little tea set. Here's another Splatoon. So I like multiples because it's really fast to list. Looks like they're all the same kind. There's a third one and a fourth one. So far, I'm really liking the condition. Nothing is opened. I've got a bonus 20 exclusive optic baseball card set. The box is crushed. And so I'll take that into consideration on where I want to list it. It'll probably be listed on eBay because of that. That way I can put the condition notes. Here's another one. Box is crushed. Here's a Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood preschool toy. I'll make sure that that works, but that looks like it's in good condition. Let's see. Stuff Loves, Who Will You Rescue? So it looks like the box is ripped. But the condition of the item looks like it's brand new. Here's another Splatoon. Bop it.
Bop it. Make your move in 3 easy steps.
All right.
Step 1. Squeeze it and say, wave it.
All right, so I probably will regret turning that on because it's probably going to keep talking, but that's in good condition.
Squeeze it and say, wave it.
It is going to keep talking. But you can hear me better. All right, Animal Jam. It looks like this is a little game. Includes charm, lanyard, magnet cards, puffy stickers, and 1 code card. So it looks like it's a little craft set called Animal Jam. Never been opened. Ooh, this looks interesting. Pokemon Sun and Moon Forbidden Light Elite Trainer Box. Okay, so I said $3 per item. I know for a fact that anything that's like this, totally boxed up Pokemon, is probably going to be around $30 or $40, especially because it's got all these different cards. It's got 8 Pokemon Sun and Moon booster packs, which are the little packs of cards, 65 card sleeves, 45 Pokemon energy cards, a player's guide, 6 damage counter dice, 1 competition flip die, 2 acrylic condition markers, a collector's box to hold everything with 4 dividers to keep it organized, and a code card for the Pokemon trading card game online. So this is big money. I think I'm going to make my money back just in that alone. We have got Stranger Things figurines. That box has clearly been opened, so I will open it again to make sure that figurine is in there, and then I'll probably be able to find it. Just won't be able to sell it brand new. Harry Potter box. That one has not been opened. Pokemon Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. This one is Ultra Prism Sun and Moon. We've got some Exploding Kittens. I actually, if you watch my last bulk unboxing, I actually got the Exploding Kittens game, which when I went to a game store, it's actually $34, but we ended up keeping it because it's a hysterical game to play. Anyway, little figurine for that Exploding Kittens. Jurassic World Light Ups toy. So far, I'm really liking. Five Nights at Freddy's figurine. Looks like a Lego figurine. Yep, it is Lego. Well, it's not Lego brand, but it's a blocks. The Twisted Ones, Mystery Minis. Not sure about this. It looks like a Five Nights at Freddy's version type of toy. Let's see what else we got here. Another Pokemon pack. Just these alone at the store are usually around 10 bucks at Walmart. And so, like I said, $3 a piece. So I'm already making my money on those. This one is a value pack. It's been opened here, and so I'll have to count and make sure all the stuff is still in there. And maybe I'll just sell it as a generic baseball pack. Here's another. This one has not been opened. A Topps value pack. Metallic pencils. 2 sets of those. Those are fun. If they are not good sellable ones, I will give them to my kiddos for art. A South Park block set. Let's see, what's this big thing? Despicable Me Minis. It looks like it's includes super layer of sound effects. Yep, it does make sounds. It is working. Try me, press the red button. So it looks like it's got, it's basically for that. And it's got 1, 2, 3 figurines in it. So it's got a minion shaker, and that looks really fun to play with. All right, Magic. The card game, Bound in Battle. All of these gaming type of things go for big money. And Magic is actually making a comeback. My brother used to play it when he was a kid, and he's got a lot of the old school ones, which are worth a lot. Here's some more baseball cards. So, and these are both sealed. So two sets of those Topps. Baseball cards are not what they used to be, but there's still some money in. The Lazy Egg, it's a squishy toy. These squishy toys, they don't look like much, but they're super popular around kids that are middle school, elementary school age. I don't know what the obsession is, but they love them. All right, here's some more pencils, but these are just plain watercolor pencils. Here's another fantasy pack. It's not Pokemon. Cards Against Humanity fantasy pack. So Cards Against Humanity is a game, and you can get refill packs. Here's some more watercolor pencils. Man, I love the stuff in this box. Watercolor pencils, watercolor pencils. Another fantasy pack for the Cards Against Humanity. So I got 2 of those. Bob's Burgers Dangler. It's a little figurine that is motion activated. All right, so this one is a metallic fidget spinner. That one's, see how it looks? That's cool. That's really heavy too, so it's a good one. Here's some more metallic pencils. This is Glitter Gals. Looks like, yeah, Glitter Gals, a little clothing set for a little doll. So we'll set that there. All right. Here's another Bop It. See if it works.
Bop it. Make your
It
move
does.
in 3 easy steps.
Awesome.
Step 1. Squeeze it and say
Awesome.
bop it.
All right. Here is a Chibi Snaps Buddy Pack.
Squeeze it and say
Marvel pack. Okay. Then there's a Marvel Superheroes pack. This looks like it's Marvel Avengers Infinity War. So it's the Groot Lego guy. Let's see, we got a couple more packs of these fantasy packs, Cards Against Humanity. So now that brings me up to 4 of those. We've got a 40 cards per pack score football cards this time, football cards. You can look for these things on my hookedonpickin.com website. I'll have some of these things listed there. Check the link below because I always list my Amazon store. So some of these things will be on my Amazon site and then also my eBay site. So check all those different platforms. You'll find some of these things and you can get them. They're in good condition. Some more baseball cards. some more metallic pencils, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, which are kind of a offshoot of Pokemon. I think that's a totally different genre, but they're kind of in the Pokemon realm as far as the style of card game. All right, let's see. We got another fantasy pack for Cards Against Humanity and watercolor pencils. Now some good stuff in here. Pie Face Showdown. This game is hysterical, but this one is like a double. If you look at the back, you get two people right next to each other. So this is a Pie Face Showdown game. Perfect because fourth quarter is coming up and it's going to sell for Christmas. Then I got some more cards in here. All right, I've got this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle light ups. I've got another set of baseball cards and basketball cards. I think we've hit every sport as well as the gamer sports. We've got this here is a braid, decorate, and dazzle hairstyle. So it's like a craft kit for hair braider. The box is a little beat up, so it'll probably go on eBay. So check out my eBay site or my personal website, and I'll put the condition notes in there. And then I got a Barbie. Some of you are gated in Barbie. I am not. This is a Barbie case. Comes with nail stuff. Looks like this has been, this is just a sticker. So this is not ruined. It's supposed to actually look like this box here. Yeah. So that's in good condition. So if I can get that sticker off cleanly, then it'll look real nice. But it looks like there's a little damage on the seam here, a little dirty. So I'll wipe it up and then probably sell it used. But it's a Barbie, basically fits any Barbie doll. Here, I'll show you this picture here because this kind of shows you what exactly it is. So it's a little Barbie case, so you can carry your Barbies wherever you want to go and then store all their accessories. So 60 items, box is empty. I'm really pleased with this uninspected returns box. Like I said, it was $150.38. Some of these things are going to go on my hookedonpickin.com website. If you guys are interested in reselling and don't know where to start, give me a call. I've got some consultation times on there. You can buy a 30-minute, a 60-minute, or an hour and a half for various different prices. But I want to find out what is your need and talk to you specifically about that. I actually just talked to someone today who was ready to get started and just needed kind of a kickstart to get going listing. So I'd love to be able to help you with that. These are all things that I'm going to be able to flip for great money. I bought toys now because we're going into fourth quarter. We're going to get ready to sell for Christmas. And so I'm super excited. There's a lot of people that will be buying for Christmas because they celebrate Christmas at Thanksgiving. So it's not too early to be listing things for Christmas right now. We're getting ready to get started in it. And I'm excited to send a lot of these to the Amazon warehouse, and then anything that has box condition damage will be either on my eBay site or my personal hookedonpickin.com website. Check that out. I'd love to be able to sell it to you and ship it right away. I got super fast shipping. So I hope this has been helpful to find out what's in an uninspected returns box from bulk.com. Just keep scouring. You're going to find some stuff that you are willing to sell. This may not be what you like to sell, but they'll have something you like to sell. I also want to address, I pay for these boxes outright. I shop for them just like you guys do. I'm not on Bulk's payroll at all. I just find that they're the best bang for my buck when it comes to flipping things online. So I hope this has been helpful, and I'm going to do a part 2 video, so check that out, where I'm going to break down the numbers of how much I can make on each item, and with the $150 I spent, how much profit am I going to make. So check out the part 2, and I'll give you all the results for that. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.